Hey there YouTube, it's me Richard Muthwani. So I'm making an update for the robotics project now. I think this is milestone 11. So the update for today is I was able to get object like recognition to work, and I'll show you the setup. So like here is the setup. So here I've got my camera. So one of my cameras is going to observe this green block, and it's going to stream that information here to the Python script. And in the Python script I'm running code like a machine learning pipeline which uses object detection, and the object detection I was able to get this from the TensorFlow Zoo, and I was able to implement the models from there. Right, so here it is showing that the block is a green block and it's recognizing it accurately. So this is a custom model which was trained by me by using transfer learning. So here I've got a couple of blocks, right? I've got a blue and red block. I'll like replace the green block with the red and the blue block. Okay, I remove the green block, I place the red block, and it takes some time for the streaming to update, but like eventually it will do that. Now I put the red block there and it recognizes it as the red brick. Okay, so now I will replace the red brick with the blue brick and let's see what happens. It will recognize it. It's actually taking a lot of time for the streaming information to make it, so there's a considerable amount of lag, but I guess that can't be helped. So I place the blue brick, it recognizes it as the blue brick. Okay, and one cool thing about this object detection which I did with TensorFlow is it can also recognize multiple objects simultaneously, so that's also there. So we'll see that now. I kept the red, green and blue brick, everything together, right? Let's see what happens now. Yeah, so now you can see it's recognizing the red brick, the blue brick and the green brick at the same time. Okay, so there you go. So that is it for the demo. So this is the object detection which I'll be using for the robot to be able to sort the objects, right? Like based on like the color of the bricks, to be able to have it in separate like locations. It's basically palletization using object detection. It will be put in different bins. Red will be in one bin, blue will be in a bin, and green will be in a bin. And basically here the sky is the limit, because if you train my machine learning model, right? If I train the TensorFlow model with a new data set, maybe to classify trash versus non-trash or some other kinds of objects, right? You can use this to bin different stuff. Or heck, you can have a whole bunch of your own models that you train for different scenarios. You just have to replace the say the model inside the framework, and you'll be able to do different kinds of tasks of separating objects. Okay, so that's all I have to say for the Milestone 11 demo. Thank you. In the next demo, I hope to be able to integrate everything, object detection, robot control, and see how it is able to split these objects. Okay, so that will be the final update for the project. Thank you. Bye.